JLG Industries presents the proper operation video for the JLG 1030P. Proper training is the first step towards qualifying an operator to operate any classification of MEWP equipment. This video focuses on proper operation only. Always refer to your operation and safety manual for the complete pre-start inspection procedure. The JLG 1030P is a mobile elevation work platform, classification Type 1, Group A. It is manually propelled with a work platform mounted to an elevating arm stack assembly. It is designed for indoor use only. The intended purpose of this machine is to provide personnel access to areas above ground level. Once you arrive at the worksite, it is very critical to clear the area of hazards before operating your machine. Always walk your worksite to check the pathway prior to operating in that area. Check for holes, bumps, drop-offs, obstructions, debris, and any other potential ground hazards. Ensure the machine is at least 2 feet or 0.6 meters away from those hazards. Ensure all hazards are physically identified with paint, cones, signs, or any other items that will stand out. Use spotters as necessary. Check for overhead wires and their height compared to the machine's lift height. Keep in mind that your machine does not provide protection from contact or proximity to electrical current. It is essential to follow the minimum approach distance guidelines as outlined in the operation and safety manual. Position the machine underneath your intended work area on a firm and level surface. Ensure all 4 wheels are in contact with the supporting surface. Lock the front caster wheels to prevent the machine from rolling. Ensure the bubble level indicator is centered and the machine is level. Always maintain 3 points of contact when entering or exiting the platform. When the operator is in the platform with the entry gate fully closed and lanyard attached to the machine, the operator is ready to operate the machine. To perform the lifting functions of the machine, the function enable switch must be pressed in and held for a function to be activated. Press the lift up button to lift up or the lift down button to lift down. Always look in your direction of travel while maintaining 360 degrees of awareness. Do not allow personnel to tamper with or operate the machine from the ground controls with personnel in the platform, except in the case of an emergency. When you have finished and you are ready to exit the platform, fully lower the platform to the stowed position. Press the emergency stop at the platform controls. Maintain 3 points of contact when exiting the platform and face the machine until you are on the ground. Press the emergency stop on the base of the frame and turn the key to the off position. Remove the key to prevent unauthorized users from operating the machine. Finally, place the machine in a well-protected and ventilated area. Properly operating your machine helps you complete your work safely. Safe operation is critical to avoid potential hazards. Beginner operators should practice these safe procedures before operating on actual work sites with an experienced and qualified operator. If you require any further clarification on your machine, please contact us at 1-877-JLG-LIFT or check us out online at jlg.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.